Hey everyone, Omar here. You know, whether you rent or own, inevitably something goes wrong with your house and you want to fix it, but you don't have the time or the money to hire a contractor. Well, we're going to go over a few things today, easy fixes that you can do by yourself that are really not complicated at all. Now today, we're going to be changing out a flapper. A lot of times when you pass by a toilet and you hear the hiss and it stops and then it hisses again and it's cycling, it's usually an indication of a worn flapper. In this case, we're going to be changing it out with a universal flapper. Let's get to it. First thing you want to do is turn off the water at the wall. Sometimes you'll have a quarter turn valve. This one is not, so you just lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, and once it stops, the water's off. Next, you'll want to remove the tank lid. Now this toilet is new. It's obviously new, but we're going to go ahead and change out the flapper anyway just to demonstrate how to do it. Next, empty the tank of all the water. Then, there are two tabs on either side that hold the flapper in place. Take your new flapper, make sure your flapper is seated properly, tabs in slots. And next, attach the chain. Now, once the tank is filled again, you want to listen for any kind of a hiss, because really what's supposed to happen is that you've got your flush valve in here. That flapper is supposed to fit flush on top, no pun intended. It's supposed to fit flush on top of that flush valve, and over time chlorine sediment can warp that rubber fill valve and let water past it, and that's what you're hearing when it hisses. You're hearing the water getting past it and the fill valve slowly filling it up so it cycles down, up like that. So this is one of the biggest problems you'll have whenever you come across that, and it's one of the easiest fixes you can do is just replace that flapper. So once it's in place, you listen for the hiss. If there's no hiss, you're good to go.